How to change stadium in EA Sports FC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select different stadiums. First of all, open the application. Now, here in your home page, you can see this play button. Tap on this play button. So you're in your playing section. Now, on the bottom, there's an option called Division Rivals. Tap on it. So make sure that you are here. So you can simply tap on head-to-head or other tournaments. Now here on the bottom there's an option you can see home stadium. Simply tap on it. So this is the section where you can simply switch or select the stadium. So first you must unlock it. You can directly buy it or you can even unlock it by having some codes. So you can directly select it, and here there are even weather options that are available. So at last you can just go back and it will be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.